Hi, this is Roger Rare. On behalf of myself and K1RZ, I'd like to welcome you to a series of short video tutorials to help you get started with the map extension to the K1RZ W3SZ database. The purpose of this extension is to make it easier to understand and use all of the data that's in the database, especially during the contest itself. We do this by displaying the data on a map. In addition, the new map extension does add the capability for seeing live in real time who is on the air. And there are going to be three types of live stations, as we'll discuss. People using Packrat Finder, which anyone can use, will appear on the map as live stations. People using their cell phones, either with the map app or with a specific application to constantly upload their location to the server, will appear as live stations. And then anyone using the map who's clicked the web button in the lower left hand corner will appear as a live station. And for live stations, the map app will correlate and collate their data in the database with their live icons, so that you have the benefit of all of the information they entered into the database when you hover over or click on their icon. It's very important to remember the link to the map, otherwise you won't be able to get to it. It's HTTPS, and the S is very important there. If you don't put the S in, you're not going to see the map. :// W3SZ.com /map.php. And that should work if you ever have any problems with the link, or if you have questions, you discover bugs, there are things you want changed about the map, let me know. This is just K1RZ my's first crack at getting this done, and we want to do whatever we need to do to make this useful for and easy to use for everyone in the community. Thanks, and let's get started.